Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are learning animals name and birds name. Domestic animal. COW cow. RABBIT rabbit. HORSE horse. SHEEP sheep. Second, wild animals. LION lion. ELEPHANT elephant. TIGER tiger. GIRAFFE giraffe. Third, birds name. CROW crow. PARROT parrot. DOVE dove. DUCK duck. Understood? Thank you. Have a nice day.